Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be doing my nightly skincare routine. This is how I prepare my face before I go to bed every night, using a cleanser, astringent, and then moisturizing my face. So as you can see, I do still have makeup on from today. I even still have a little bit of lipstick on today because I wore a matte lipstick. I'm just gonna show you the products that I use and how I wash my face every night before I go to bed. So I'm just gonna put my hair back. This big hair I got going on today. It is a rainy day in Orlando, so that's probably the noise you hear in the background. Okay, so now my hair is out of the way. Looking a little crazy, but at least my hair is out of the way. So the first product that I like to use is from Pond's. This is their cleansing balm, and this will completely melt away your makeup and make it very easy to remove. I'll go ahead and open it just so you can kind of see what it looks like. Obviously I've been using it so you can kind of see the makeup from my fingers that's in there, but it's a balm. This is what it looks like. And it melts away very quickly even when you touch it. So what you want to do is use a little bit of this. Like honestly, you don't have to use this much, maybe about that much. You can see that. And you're supposed to put it on your face while your face is dry. And this helps to take the makeup off before I actually wash my face. The bottle does says you can use this as an actual cleanser. But I use it strictly just for taking my makeup off and making my makeup easier to remove. So I'm gonna start there, all over my face. I'm gonna get in my eyes to take out my mascara and my eyeshadow. So now I'm going to rinse my face off. Okay. Alright, as you can see, this has pretty much removed all of my makeup. You can just see a little bit of eye makeup left over, but that's okay because I'm still going to cleanse my face, but at least you can kind of see how this is like really taking away all of the makeup I had on today. All of my eyebrows are gone, lipstick's gone, powder, all that is gone. So that is good. So now I am going to actually cleanse and wash my face. Okay, so I have a confession to make. I am not about to sit here and tell you about some fancy schmancy skin products that I use. I have literally been, sorry, I have water in my ears. I've literally been using the same face washing products since middle school. They're not expensive. You can get them from your local drugstore, Walgreens, CVS, Target, but it is a very simple routine that I've been doing for a very long time. So this is basically what I use. Clean and clear. So they have a 3-step face washing routine. So the first step is their foaming facial cleanser. So this is what I use to actually cleanse and clean my face. So this is step 1. Step 2 is the astringent or toner, whatever you want to call it. But this is to get the deep cleaning and to get the excess dirt off of your face with a cotton ball is what I use this with. And then the third step is the dual action moisturizer. So that not only does this moisturize your face, but it actually does have salicylic acid in it, so it also helps to prevent breakouts and acne and things like that. So great moisturizer, but also great to prevent future breakouts or help with any acne that you're dealing with. So this is step 3. Again, 3-step process. This is all that I use to wash my face every single day. So we will start with the foaming cleanser, foaming facial cleanser from Clean and Clear. So to actually clean my face, I use the sponge, and this is like an exfoliating sponge that I use on my face to help really deep clean and make sure I get all the dirt and any leftover makeup off of my face. So I use this sponge. So I'm gonna wet this a little bit. You can use any sponge that you want. This is not a Clean and Clear sponge. This is just a sponge that I can find in Walgreens or CVS. Basically what I do is I put a little bit on my sponge here, kind of get it all soapy. This particular sponge is actually made of walnut shells. I know that's weird, but so you don't want to use it too hard. Now I will rinse my face off. Ooh, does my face look really clean now? Ladies, if you wear the eyeliner in your waterline, sometimes you know that's really hard to get off. So sometimes I still have to go in and get some of the eyeliner off, but other than that, my face is fully clean. So now I'm gonna do a little bit more of a deep clean with my, sorry, I got water dripping. Now I'm gonna do a little bit more of a deep cleaning with step 2, which is the Astringent. I just bought a new bottle, so that's why it's full. But this is the Astringent that I'm gonna use for the deep cleaning. I use a cotton ball to just wipe around my face to get any excess dirt or oil or makeup that maybe is left over on my face. So I will do that. Want to be careful around your eyes. If you get it in your eyes, it is not fun. But just want to get it all around. Sometimes you'll see a little bit of dirt. This just has a little bit of the excess dirt or makeup that's left over, but sometimes you really won't even have any if you cleanse your face really well. You won't have any excess. Whew. Sometimes I just lay my face so it can dry a little bit. But as you can see, my face is fully clean, no makeup, no oil, no dirt. Now I'm just going to go in with step 3, which is the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer. So again, this really helps with preventing any future acne, breakouts, or anything like that, and it helps moisturize your skin. And I just literally use that much. Face. So now my face is fully moisturized. I have one more product that I've been using lately after I clean my face and moisturize my face. It's from Lush by Jean Seo. I'm pretty sure I'm saying that wrong, but this is what it is. This is their Hydrating and Calming Serum. So this is the last thing that I use on my face before I go to bed. And I just use a little bit. This helps calm your face. It's also quick drying, so it doesn't leave your face oily or anything like that. A little bit. I actually received this in my Ipsy bag months ago. As you can see, it is almost gone. So I will actually be ordering this, a full bottle of it, because I like it a lot. I like how it makes my face feel after I wash my face and moisturize my face. But it is a nice serum that you can put all over your face. And you have to rub it in really quick because it does dry quick, which is good. It doesn't leave your face oily or anything like that. But I like how it makes my face feel. It makes my skin very soft. Nice and clean. And I do have dry lips. So for my lips before I go to bed, what I like to use is this Honey Trap Lip Balm, and this is from Lush. I also use this in the morning while I'm doing my makeup. I put it on before I start doing my makeup so it can moisturize my lips before I put lipstick or lip gloss on, so that my lips can stay dry and moisturized. So as you can see, I use this all the time. It's almost gone. But I do just use a little bit of this on my lips. And that's it. Face is nice and clean, lips are moisturized. All right, y'all, it is time for me to go to bed. So if you liked this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that bell to make sure you get notifications for all of the new content I will be providing for you. And thank you all so much for your support throughout the 6 months of my YouTube channel. It is greatly appreciated, and just make sure you stay tuned for more content. Bye, have a good night.